Hello, everybody. Today's lesson, we're going to be going back to our place value chart. And we're going to be going back to our place value chart to really look at word form, look at standard form, expanded form, and we are looking for greater, less than, or equal to. And we're going to be using our signs to represent which number is larger or which one is less than. So we're going to use our correct symbols in order to solve. So I am going to be using on my place value chart, but also be using what we're going to be working on today. So let's go with the first two. Boom. And this is going to be on page 28. All right. So we're going to be using our place value chart here, and we're going to be using our problem set to solve. All right. So let me put the lines to represent each place value. Cool. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to also place a line in the middle to represent both, okay? To see which one is larger. All right. So let's go with our first one. Let's go with our word problem. We have 900,000, okay? So that means that we have 900,000 in, so we have 900,000, okay? We have 8,000, 8. We have 900, and we have 3 tens here, okay? And it looks like we don't have any ones. Perfect. Actually, let me rewrite this for you. So we have 900,000. We have 8,000. We have 900. We have 3 tens, and we have 0 ones. Perfect. Awesome. So, but in order to do this, we don't have any 10,000s here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this 900,000. All right. I'm just going to put a 9 here to represent 9, and I'm going to put 0. And now I'm going to put my comma, 1, 2, 3, and then bang. So 908,930. Awesome. So let's go to our next one. I'm going to do this in purple. So, and I did this in red. So let me, boom, do this in red. So now my purple, I'm going to represent, so 908,930. So let's write this down. So I have 0, 3, 9, 8, 0, and 9 with a comma. Those look, they're exactly the same, aren't they? Perfect. So we can put an equal sign. Boom, boom. Awesome. We're done with that one. Cool. So see how I use place value in order to see which one is larger. We're going to do this again. So we're going to do this again with D. Okay? So let me erase. Perfect. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to use your place value chart again in order to solve for our next problem. And I'm going to be doing the same thing as well, because it's really helpful to use a place value chart. Like I said, it's the most important part of 4th grade, is the place value chart. All right, so we're going to be working with our next set of problems. So with this one, this is in word form, and this one is in word form as well. So let's work with each one here so that we can do it correctly. So we have 900. So let's start with this one. We have 900. So let's go with 900. Boom. We have 5 10,000s. Okay, so we have 5 10,000s. And we have 9 ones. Okay, so we have 9 ones. So when we don't have anything for the thousands, we can just put circles here and the tens, and we can put a circle there and put a comma. So it looks like it's 50,909. Perfect. So with our next one, let's do 6 10,000s. Okay, so 6 10,000s and the 6 10,000s. 500 So 500 here and 9 ones. Okay, 9 ones. And we put zeros in the blanks. There we go. And comma. All right, so which one is larger? Well, we can see here that this place value, the 10,000s, is the largest place value for these two numbers. So 10,000s is as much as we can go to. It's the largest number. It looks like we have 6 here. 6 is larger than 5, so this is our larger number, 60,509. So we are going to, boom, we're going to use our symbol to represent that this is the larger digits, larger number. Perfect. Excellent. Good job here. Okay, for your last problem here, let's talk about it and discuss it. Now, for our next problem, number 3, we have different measurements here. So let's read our problem. Let's read it, and then let's figure it out. So using information in the chart below to list the height in feet of each mountain from least to greatest. So small down to the largest. All right? So we're starting with the small and going down to the largest. Then name the mountain that has the lowest elevation. So we want to name the one that has the lowest elevation. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these into the place value chart, and then I'm going to organize it from smallest to largest, and that's what I want you to do as well. So let's put these in the place value chart, and then I'm going to want you to finish the problem and tell me in order from least to greatest and which is the lowest in elevation. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to place these in different colors. So Allen Mountain is going to be purple. Okay. Mount Marcy is going to be orange. Mount Haystack is going to be in red. And then finally, I am going to put Slide Mountain in black ink. Okay. So let's do Allen Mountain and put that in our place value chart. So Allen Mountain is 4,340. Cool. All right. Don't forget your commas. Perfect. Mount Marcy is 5,344. All right. Mount Haystack is 4,960. And then Slide Mountain is 4,240. Perfect. Cool. So now what I want you to do is I want you to order these from least to greatest. Now, I'm going to start you off. So I'm going to go with my smallest in elevation. And my smallest in elevation, I can see that when we look at the thousands, okay, we have 4, and we have 4, and we have 4. Cool. So my thousands, we have 4, 4, and 4. Excellent. So these, I'm working with these 3. Now let's go to our hundreds. Let's see which one is the smallest in hundreds. I have 3, 9, and 2. Looks like this is the smallest. So it looks like this one right here is the smallest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as number 1. So this is the smallest. This is the smallest. Okay? I'm going to put a little box around it. That is number 1. All right? Actually, let me put it a little bit further this way. All right, so this is number 1. And I want you to do the rest. Okay, so what is the next smallest or least? And what is the next least? And what is the next least after that? Okay, so order them and then tell me which one is the lowest in elevation. All right, I hope that this is a simple lesson for us to solve. So I'd like for you to try this and turn this into me for your problem set.